My mom's gone.
From this world? But if she's anywhere, she's in the underworld.
I'll do it.
You will?
Yeah, I'll do it. Not cause my dad needs me. He's been less a dad and more absentee. But if my mom's alive, that's where she's bound to be. I'm leaving now, I better pack. Katie took my mom, I'm taking her back. So what if no one's come back from the underworld? I'll be the first.
And I'll be the second first.
No, Grover, I can't ask you to come.
You're my best friend, dude, so don't get mad. But I suspect you'll need protecting when things get bad. And this kicking quest may be the best chance I've had to put my past behind me. So if you haven't guessed, I'm coming on your killer quest. So bon voyage and fare me well. We're gonna fight each foe, each curse and spell. We're gonna march straight down to the gates of hell. Underworld.
Close enough. I'm finally gonna pass your test.
We're going on a killer quest. Oh, don't forget this official Camp Half-Blood questing backpack. It comes pre-packed with everything you need. Gold drachmas, ambrosia squares, deodorant.
You need me too, seaweed brain. If you're gonna save the world, I'm the best person to keep you from messing up. 5 long years stuck at camp, underneath Athena's lockdown clamp. Been waiting for my chance to prove I'm champ. I've got mad battle strategy, my mom will be impressed. I'm coming on your killer. So blast the horns, let the flags unfurl. Past dangers, flames, and arrows roll. We're gonna march straight down to the underworld.
Luke, are you coming too?
I'm leaving here, but how about something for the road?
Shoes, awesome. Shoes with wings? Now that is awesome! So, where is the underworld?
Look for DOA Records.
It's a record company? Actually, I am not surprised.
Don't get eaten by monsters.
But monsters? Who said anything about monsters?
Have a great quest.
So we're half-bloods, not gods but
Don't
demi.
go halfway. It's all not semi.